Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into USPS Informed Delivery. Sign in to your dashboard step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection. In the address bar, type Informed Delivery, USPS.com and press enter to go to the official USPS Informed Delivery page. On the page, click the Sign In button to continue to the USPS login screen. Check the page URL starts with HTTPS and includes USPS.com to confirm you are on the legitimate site. Enter your USPS.com username in the username field exactly as you created it. Enter your password in the password field and double-check for typos and correct capitalization. If you are on a personal device, you can select Remember Me to stay signed in for faster access later. Click Sign In to submit your login details. If you see a security verification step, choose your preferred method such as email or text message. Open the email or SMS from USPS and copy the verification code you received. Return to the USPS sign-in page and paste the code into the verification field. Click Verify or continue to complete the security check and proceed. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Your Password and follow the reset instructions. If you forgot your username, click Forgot Username and retrieve it using the requested account information. When prompted, complete any CAPTCHA by selecting the correct images or checking the box to confirm you are not a robot. After a successful login, you will be redirected to your Informed Delivery dashboard automatically. On the dashboard, locate the section that shows grayscale mail piece images for incoming letter-sized mail. Review the mail images to preview what is arriving soon, typically for the current day. Scroll to find packages and see tracking updates and expected delivery information if available. Click on any package entry to open detailed tracking and delivery status. If the dashboard shows no mail, confirm you selected the correct residential address tied to your account. To manage your address, go to Settings or Profile and check that your address is verified and active. If address verification is required, follow the prompts to verify using the online method or the mailed code. To adjust notifications, open Settings and choose Email or Text Alerts for mail and package updates. If you are using the USPS mobile app, open the app, tap Sign In, and use the same USPS.com credentials. If you get an error message, refresh the page, clear browser cache, or try signing in using an incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.